exciting because I'm gonna learn independence.
What a better way to learn independence than to get other people to help?
No, literally, I know. Guys, how did we meet?
I've known you for years through Twitter, really randomly.
We met because we were both fans of Toaster Bar.
Yeah,
no, literally. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Inette.
Hi. And this is Sanlee.
We're roommates. Yeah, we live together.
I met Inette and Sanlee through Arianna. The first night that we met, I literally slept over at your house. So cute. She like laid out like all the clothes for me when I got back from going out and like made the bed and everything, and I was like,
oh, you mommy. I know.
Mommy. Sorry, no, literally so.
It's so satisfying just like knowing you can do all these things for yourself. It's
like
liberating. You're like,
it's like I don't need anyone else to help me do these things except you guys. Today's episode is gonna be us budgeting, grocery shopping, and cooking. Because I don't know how to cook at all.
This is really exciting. I remember when we first moved out, we were like buzzing. We'd go to Woolies every day.
Yeah, every single day. I spent like $300 a week on Woolies.
No, man, that's what you should not do. I'm not a budgeter, so I wouldn't know.
Okay, kitten pink.
Kitten pink, absolutely.
Like that.
So aesthetic, yeah,
oh my God.
perfect.
Usually I spend around $100.
$100?
If not less.
Yes.
Let's do 100.
Especially if you're shopping at the market.
Yeah, true. We're going to a market today. How do we know that it's going to be $100?
So I only started budgeting after living out of home for a while because then I saw how much I was spending and what I needed. It was kind of just based off experience.
Before I moved out, I wrote up a list of the sort of things I was eating at home every day and how much that cost. I literally went onto like Woolworth's website.
Oh,
and
nice.
Just how much everything cost, and I realized I could spend about $60 a week. Me trying to type with these nails.
No. What's included in like living expenses?
Literally anything that you need.
Yeah,
in your life.
like cleaning and
exactly.
Shampoo, eating out.
Oh my God. I'm so bad.
When we first moved out, we realized we were spending a lot of money on food. We started off with like a once a week eating out thing, like a Friday night. Maybe
oh, that's so cute. Like I just go and buy like 4 sushis and it's like $10 and I do that like every day. And then it's like ends up being $70 a week and I'm like, what the f.
Think about how much you eat out right now.
So
like
much.
Union Kiosk, like.
Oh my God, I know, me with my toasties like every single day.
But if you're wanting to reduce it a little bit, don't go
Let's
full
do
cold turkey because then you'll just
60?
like. Okay, 60 sounds.
Is that good? I like me buying drinks there for 50. Like, no.
Do you want to do 60 to 100 for now and then you can just change it depending on. Because we're trying to be realistic here.
That's true.
And also like it's summer.
Yeah. Oh.
Like summer.
Okay, 3,000.
Yeah. What else is there, guys? I literally barely shop.
No,
but that's why I need to go do a big shop.
This is a really important part. Okay, so if you don't spend your budget for one category for 1 week, what I do personally is I put it towards a budget for the next week. Like for a few weeks, I would save up the $30 and then go shopping.
Yeah, oh that's nice. I'll do that. And then you can buy something good quality as well.
Exactly.
If something's more expensive,
Because
$40?
40, I think, yeah. Whatever you say.
And all of these things you can adjust.
Self-care category. It sounds stupid, but genuinely it's so important. It's like, you want to go get a massage, go get a massage.
Oh my gosh, I actually need one.
You want to get your nails done.
But honestly, why does it add up so much? Nails to get them done, if you want to design, it's like $80.
Yeah.
Literally, this was $80 as well.
Time. It's just plain.
Oh my God, I can't believe that. It's $120 for lashes. Nails is $80. And then if I want to get a massage because my back is killing me because I edit all day. But yeah, it all adds up. So I reckon like $75 a week would be reasonable. This is my weekly budget, $350 to $400. Perfect. Let's try to stick to the budget. If I need to change it, I will.
Yeah.
But that's for a later time. Hi guys, it's Mascot from the future. How is everyone doing? I am currently on the Gold Coast. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about Chegg and Chegg Study Pack. They are the sponsor of today's video. Now that I live alone, I have so many more responsibilities like cooking, cleaning, doing the laundry, catching up with friends and relaxing. And Chegg is just gonna make my life a whole lot easier, especially now that I'm going into my 2nd year of uni, which starts in a couple of days. I may or may not be already at uni by the time you're watching this video. I wanna make sure that regardless of everything going on in my life, that I'm able to get the most out of my course, and that includes building on the skills that are going to assist me in the future. That's why Chegg is going to be my writing coach this year, because I can always rely on the extensive tools that are available in the pack at any given time. In my course, film and television, there's always a writing unit, so a lot of essays to be written. When uploading my paper to Chegg, I'll receive detailed feedback with recommendations from an expert on how to improve my main idea, active voice, and it will also run a plagiarism check. For those of you doing a math unit, there are step-by-step tutorials helping you understand and solve the problem. There's also a section where you can create your own cue cards so you don't have to spend time writing them by hand. They're all online, and you can also find pre-made ones. But I hope you guys will discover it for yourselves. It's a great platform. I actually will have a $5 off of your first Chegg Study Pack link in the description box. I'm glad that I'm starting off the year already preparing for it. I just know that now I'm going to have a more personalized and guided experience with topic breakdowns, videos, and illustrations all in one place. Thank you, Chegg, for sponsoring this video, and let's get on to the grocery shopping. This used to be the tallest building in the Southern Hemisphere, and now they built another one right next to it. They beat it.
100 floors.
Crazy.
And this one they had to cut off 7 floors because otherwise it was going to intersect the flight path to Essendon Airport.
Oh my god, what? Everything looks so nice here and like clean. Okay, so the girls wrote a shopping list for me. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So we can just follow that and not go overboard with shopping. I love it here. So we're gonna go to Capsicum. I'm really excited to do this in the mornings. Like I can come here at 5 AM and be productive. Watch me wake up again at 9:45. Okay. Cucumbers, got capsicum. How much lemon do I need?
3 or 4.
I'll get 4.
You can never have too much garlic.
Wow. Look at our cute cherry tomatoes. Adorable. Guys, look at these tomatoes.
I love these.
Oh
They're
my
so
god.
yum.
They look like pumpkins.
Rainbow one.
I love grocery shopping. Why? It's very fun. Why is that so cheap? Oh my gosh, I thought it was gonna be like $100. I got so many things. That's literally half of my eating out budget. Thank you so much. I'm always gonna come to the markets.
Yeah,
always go to the
it
markets.
smells so good here.
Yeah, and it's also a nice vibe, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, so cute and
Wait,
little.
they're really good.
They have more flavor because they're smaller.
Really sweet.
It's tiny. You're doing a big roast, right? I love it. So quick.
I'm with more time.
You're so efficient.
I just like to
Really?
Imagine these pillows on our couch.
Oh,
Wait, this is cute.
Make a blanket.
Take my hand and hold it tight.
Inette, what are you making tonight? Noodles?
with vegan chicken and mushrooms.
Ooh.
Like spicy noodles.
Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down?
Wait, why are they so delicious?
So I know my way around.
Everything is so aesthetic. Oh, so good.
Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop.
Us buying lunch when we're literally about to cook. Vegan sausages. Look at the next phone case. We are where we need to be. So cute.
Oh, you're so cute. 99 cents?
Guys, avocados are cheaper here than they are in the market. How many do I need? Literally 7 avocados. I'm not joking.
One a day? Oh, true.
One a day.
$6.93. A bag of Mascot's weekly avocados.
I know.
Milk egg.
Milk
egg.
Milk egg. Aldi just have the most random
Mascot, do you need a toaster?
I actually have one.
Oh, okay.
I do need a blender though.
No, but I want this for that.
Oh my god, cute!
Summer.
Rice.
That tomatoes or fresh tomatoes?
Arianna being literally a mom.
I'm being a monster.
She really is. Avocado in Aldi. They literally scan things so fast here. It's like
No, it's so stressful.
I love that.
You have to pack it in the back. Oh
Oh my god.
We're at Woolies now, just getting final things. We were at like 3 places today to get the food. Well, I have the big one at home, but I'm not sure, so maybe just grab that one just in case. One more thing, and then we're done. It's been like 2 hours.
no. Did you get mayo?
Yeah.
Good.
Yay! Ooh. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Yay! We're done. Oh my god! We're exactly. We're back, and better than ever, we're gonna do a little grocery shop while we put things away in the fridge. That was a successful shop. Our arms are dying. Carrots, lemons, garlic. What else do we get? Cucumbers. Wait, this is aesthetic. This is a fridge I always aspire to have.
Yeah.
Carrot drawer. Yeah, like nice fridge.
I think that's good. The best hummus in the world.
So excited. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Look at this aesthetic fridge. Wow.
It's like nothing in here.
I know.
I love it.
I got icy balls as well if you guys want.
Cute.
Yeah.
I hope they're not frozen yet.
Yeah. The spices are really important. We got turmeric for the curry and
She's such a vlogger.
garam masala,
What a vlogger.
cumins. Yes. Curry powder.
I got you a notepad.
Oh my god, thanks. Okay.
No worries.
Okay.
And a pen. Inette's writing us the recipe. The girls are going to teach me how to cook now so I can do it myself next time.
Guys, the most important part of cooking is stations, having stations. We need chocolate and onion.
Oh, do we need to wear goggles or something?
My Paw Patrol goggles.
We're gonna have to do a small pot of rice
Peel the onion, yep. 1.5 cups of water.
and 1 cup of rice.
1 cup of rice.
So see how the water goes all like milky and
White,
gross?
yeah.
You have to
Like you don't want to eat that. And then you drain it like that.
Oh, wow. So that's all the flour. So do you leave that lid on?
No, only until it starts boiling.
Oh, so when it's like foggy. Yeah.
No one is bubbling.
Oh, okay. Living life.
You got this.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is very therapeutic.
Ned in the back. Goes, yes!
Yay! Alright, she's perfect.
On and on.
Okay, so how do I do that? Oh no! Oh my god! Okay, so you take that off when it bubbles.
Yeah. And then,
Okay.
Masca, how you going?
Living life. I'm actually loving this. This is fun to peel. It's like doing art, but in a different way. Watch me get obsessed with this, and then I'll make everyone dinner.
Love. Yes, queen.
That's actually fun. It works, right?
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, it's good.
Actually, Chef Masket.
Let's get. Hi, filming Masket.
I love you. Hi, Masket. So,
Alright.
chucking 2 cloves of garlic.
Okay. Moment to encourage.
Our ambassador, Arianna. Yeah, queen.
Get
So just put the spice. So how much do I need?
Kind of just smell what it is, and if I like it, then I will.
Yeah, then you put more. Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, I love it. Oh, cute. Okay, so a teaspoon of cumin. Okay. Pour it. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. That looks nice and yellow. Okay, garam masala. Ooh, yum. Okay, and then do we need this now as well? The smell is amazing.
Yeah, right?
It smells incredible. All the spices. Teaspoon. I actually have just become a chef. Stop. Okay, beautiful. Can I try stirring?
Yeah.
Just to see what it's just to see what it's like. Okay, so I'm scared of cutting myself.
What a cutie.
How the do you do
Do you need
this?
help? Wait.
Oh
You
yeah.
need to push down on the lid.
That's so much easier than getting normal tomatoes.
Right?
Wow, because it's already like mushy as well.
It's so hard making the main crab.
My nail makes it so hard. Oh, ow.
Are you okay? Oh,
Yeah, I'm fine, but that's, I think that works. Oh, easy. Yeah?
That's it. So take it to the sink. And no. You need the lid. Okay. You need the lid on it still. No.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. No,
Shit.
Yeah.
And then tip it.
Ow, I'm cutting myself.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Hey.
Yeah.
Is that good enough? Like maybe more?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it looks really good. Guys, do we add this to it as well?
Yeah.
Wait, I want to learn.
1 leaf at a time. For the
Oh,
first part.
what, one?
No, just
One by one? Ah.
it doesn't take too long because you don't need too much.
Yeah.
If you don't mind doing it. It cooks down quite a lot, like
Oh, yeah, true, it does.
so just a little bit more.
I think this works.
And just make sure you don't have any dirt left in it. Yeah.
Now we're going to be adding the spinach.
Masket, I love you.
I love you too. Wait, I'm going to move a rice here just for the photo. I love this angle.
Chef's
Us cooking.
Careful, don't hurt yourself, Jesus. You're gonna touch the hot pan.
I really need some coconut cream.
Some coconut cream. Was that supposed to be a thing?
I feel like we just didn't look into the recipe.
Well, I just forgot to know.
Is that usually what you would do?
Yeah, I'd add coconut cream.
But I feel like this looks better without it. 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect. So I like put that looks amazing.
It smells really good.
I'm gonna leave that all nice and cute, so it's like I can take a photo of it as well.
excited.
Are you having our first bite together?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
That's so good.
Oh, much delicious. That's incredible.
Good job, Basket.
Yay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the help. Okay, so the girls just left, but I had such a fun time and it was so easy as well. It only took us like 30 minutes. I just put the leftovers into a container so I can eat it tomorrow. Does it just go in the fridge? I think so. I can just go here.